Are you new to Scrapy and feeling a bit overwhelmed? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to get the immediate parent node in Scrapy using Python. This is a common challenge for many beginners, and I'm here to help you through it. I totally get it. Scrapy can be tricky, especially when you're trying to extract specific data from complex HTML structures. Many users have faced similar issues, and it's completely normal to seek better ways to navigate this. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I get the immediate parent of a specific element in Scrapy? They provided two different HTML structures and want to extract the text data they need efficiently. Sound familiar? Let's break this down together. To understand this better, we need to recognize how Scrapy interacts with HTML. When you select an element, you can navigate the DOM tree to find its parent. This is crucial for extracting the right data, especially when the structure varies. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a handy tip that will make your web scraping tasks even easier. To begin, the user should understand how to select the desired element using Scrapy's selectors. They can start by selecting the paragraph with the class username. Next, the user can retrieve the immediate parent of the selected element. In Scrapy, this can be done using the XPath method to navigate up the DOM tree. After obtaining the parent element, the user can extract the text data they want. This involves accessing the text node of the parent div. Finally, the user can combine these steps into a single Scrapy selector to streamline the process. This will allow them to directly access the text data they need. Fun fact: did you know that web scraping has been around since the early days of the internet? It's amazing how far we've come in automating data extraction. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to use the following sibling access in XPath. First, you select the p tag with the class username. Then, you can retrieve the immediate text data you want by using the following sibling access to access the text node that comes after the p tag. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always test your selectors in the browser's developer tools before implementing them in your Scrapy project. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You now know how to get the immediate parent node in Scrapy. Keep practicing and you'll become a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on web scraping.